guys. Okay. My hair does not want to participate today. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Acceptable. Okay. So I was checking my channel. I was looking at my stuff, my videos. I've been getting views, a lot of views. I'm happy. I mean, not like a lot of like the famous people on YouTube, but for me, this is a lot, and it's like makes me really happy. And I got messages from you guys. Oh, it made me happy. Made me really happy. Love you guys. Oh, my hair. My hair. Yep, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Anyways, it's weird because I was looking at the videos and the ones with the title burp in them are the ones with the most views. Like, a lot. And I'm like, I'm gonna start calling everything burp. You guys seem to like burp. Oh, I'm gonna stop there now. Okay. Question of the day. Oh, terrible. Okay, question of the day. Why don't you guys ask me questions? Ask me questions, I'll write them down, in my next video I'll answer them. Ask me anything. Oh, someone sent me a message. I'm not gonna say who. Sent me a message asking if I have a southern accent. And yes, I do. I do. And if I'm talking to you guys on the camera and suddenly I sound like I'm from Texas, I'm sorry. And I'm not from Texas, I'm from freaking Ventura, California. But my whole family's got this southern twang to their voice. So, yeah. Ask me questions. I gotta go. Love you guys. Bye.